Hello guys, ito yung mukbang namin, ito yung kinilaw na. Hello po mga kapamilya, mga silingan ko, ito po si Lorna from Canada. We are having a mukbang again for today. We're having a talong kinilaw, eggplant na kinilaw. Mayroon kaming pancit, canton, yeah, napakasarap with the shrimps and vegetables and pork. Mayroon din kaming sinigang, shrimp and fish, salmon. And my son having a rice with it. So, ayan, tingnan natin. Ayan. Magmumukbang kaming dalawa. Ayan. Hey, say hello. Say hello to everybody. Ayan. Is that going good? I don't really know if it's going.
Yeah, it's going.
Okay. So, ayan. So, mukbang po tayo. Ayan. Okay, say hello and say hello for your channel to everybody. Say hello to
Hello.
And let's get the spoon for our serving spoon. And
Some phones.
another big spoon for the sinigang. Ayan. Yes. Here is the get our paper towels. Here is the salmon. Yan, yung salmon. Yeah. So, and the shrimp and salmon. So, yan. I have put some little bit in here. And with shrimp. And here's for my son. That's his favorite. For sure. Right, son? We pray. Okay, in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Thank you, Lord, for all these gifts, for all these foods that which about to receive from the bounty through Christ, our Lord. Amen. Panalangin namin ito pang Panginoon that to give us a good health, a positive mind, a positive outlooks in life, and today and tomorrow. Amen. In the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Amen.
Let's dig in.
Let's go eat, everybody. Ayan, salmon. Yan. Kasarap. Sarap. Wow. Wow. You're so quiet. Right away.
Yeah, actually it's quietly, but
It's quiet because it's good, right?
yeah, it's pretty good.
For this kinilaw na talong is really good. You can eat with it. Good. Yum. Wow, ang sarap. Ang sarap-sarap. Ito na yung ano, pancit canton. I'm just going to eat small. Hey. You want it now? You want it? Or you want some rice more?
Just to have just to finish enough for this.
And then have noodles. Wow. Alam niyo po guys, alam mo mga silingan, napakasarap, napakasarap, napakasarap. Yan, panalo na. Panalo na siya. But, tingnan natin kung manalo ako nito. I've never ever used chopsticks before, so we'll see if I can do that. So, just curiosity lang. Kasi, pipiliin ko lang eh, mas mainam pa yung magkakamay ako. It's better for me. Kasi makakain ko gusto ko. One chopstick. Praise God. Ayan. Mukbang to the max. Ayan.
The forks already. Cheers to all.
Cheers! Kain tayo! Good?
Very good.
Panalong panalo. My son is so quiet. He says it's so delicious. Very
Wow.
good, he said.
It was so great. It was so delicious. And I was fish sitting on now for noodles. Accepted. I really love this challenge, and once again,
I'll say again. Your channel.
yeah. Click my channel. Click here on my thumb. Don't forget.
My son Gordy, he has a channel also on YouTube. He's been on YouTube for a while now, which I'm trying to help him more than I myself, because he is a special, and at least he is doing a lot of stuff, and he can make a good video, which is his busy every single day doing that, learning things, helping me, helping the kitchen, helping like that, and he's a very good kid. Yeah, so once again, don't forget to click and like his YouTube channel, GGP Reacts, Gordy Gameplay Reacts. That's his channel, my son, Gordy.
Also called the Gordy Gameplay Reacts, Spider-Man Reacts. What do we call the name?
Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Lorna's Cooking the Kitchenette. Ito po yung mga niluluto ko. Nagbibinta po ako dito ng pagkain din, maliban sa work ko. Nag-work ako dito since 2002. 1 year pa lang nung youngest ko noon. Nagtrabaho na ako. But before that, ang catering ko na Filipino foods been here since 1999 of summer. So maliban sa nagtrabaho, nagluluto din akong catering ng Filipino food. Everybody attack with it. They love it. And widow na po ako. So kailangan kong more and more to you know, I don't wanna be emotional in here. Pero widow na ako. May 3 akong anak. Puro lalaki. Youngest ko ay 19 years old. He is a very special kid also. He's autistic. My Harrison. So kailangan akong pumayod ng marami. At saka ayaw kong umiyak. Kasi maaga pa. So, kaya, nagsusumikap ako ng mabuti. Para sa kailanganin namin. Para sa bills, magbayad ng bills. Tinustusan ko naman ang mga kailangan na gusto nila. At saka tumutulong din naman sila. Kaya yun. Nagtutulungan kaming lahat dito. Tapos, it feels at ease sometimes. Emotionally, hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-explain ang lahat, having 2 anak na autistic. Hindi ko kinahiya. Hindi naman nila pinili yun eh. At saka hindi ko rin pinili na maging ganun sila. Ang sa akin lang ngayon is to support my kids. And siyempre tumatanda na rin ako. So kailangan ko na sumikap and being positive. But keep on going, you know. Pero, hayaan pa natin. Ganun kasi ng life eh. Kaya, ngayon, okay lang. Mag-8 years na ako this year being widow. No? Tapos, siyempre, nung una parang hindi nila maintindihan, siyempre. So, ngayon, okay naman kaming lahat.
I got it all done for this now.
But
I'm
ngayon,
still a little bit smaller, full of belly as well.
You're full now?
Yes, I'm full now, and this is challenges is very good as well.
So, once again, ask them to subscribe your channel, GGP Reacts.
Yes, and subscribe to my YouTube channel called Gordy Gameplay Reacts or Spider-Man Reacts.
Gordy Gameplay Reacts. Gordy Gameplay
Reacts and Spider-Man Reacts.
and Spider-Man Reacts. So you have 2 channel?
Yes.
See, he's got 2 channel. Man, I'm Lorna's Cooking in the kitchen. Huwag kalimutan to subscribe and press likes and bell button and hit all. Thank you. And it is delicious. So good. So good. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Lorna's Cooking the Kitchenette.